Streamlit versus Django. Which Python framework is better? Choosing the right Python framework can completely change how you build web applications without unnecessary complexity. Streamlit offers simplicity and speed, while Django provides full-featured control and scalability. Streamlit and Django are both popular Python frameworks for web development. Streamlit focuses on rapid creation of data apps with minimal setup, while Django is a comprehensive framework designed for building complex, scalable web applications. The core difference lies in simplicity versus full-stack capability. Streamlit is an open-source Python framework designed specifically for building interactive data applications quickly and easily. It works by letting developers write Python scripts that automatically generate web apps with no need for HTML, CSS, or JavaScript knowledge. Streamlit's strength lies in its simplicity and speed, allowing data scientists and analysts to create dashboards, visualizations, and prototypes in minutes. The framework offers built-in widgets and seamless integration with popular Python libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and Plotly. However, Streamlit is limited when it comes to handling complex backend logic, user authentication, or large-scale production deployments. It is ideal for users who want to showcase data insights or build proof-of-concept applications without deep web development expertise. Streamlit's minimalistic approach minimizes setup and maintenance, making it perfect for rapid experimentation and internal tools. Django is a powerful, full-stack Python web framework designed for building robust, scalable web applications. It follows the model view template architectural pattern and includes built-in features like user authentication, database ORM, admin interfaces, and security protections. Django works by providing a comprehensive structure where developers define models, views, and templates to create dynamic websites with complex logic. Its strengths include scalability, security, and a large ecosystem of reusable packages. Django supports multiple databases and is suitable for projects requiring custom business logic, user management, and long-term maintenance. However, Django has a steeper learning curve and requires more setup compared to lightweight frameworks. It is ideal for developers building production-grade web applications, e-commerce platforms, or content management systems needing flexibility and control. Django's maturity and community support make it a reliable choice for enterprise applications. Comparing Streamlit and Django highlights distinct trade-offs. Streamlit excels in rapid development of interactive data apps, perfect for data scientists needing quick visualization tools without web development overhead. However, it lacks features like user authentication and complex backend support. Django, on the other hand, offers a full-stack solution suitable for building scalable, secure, and maintainable web applications with complex workflows and user management. For example, a startup prototyping a data dashboard would benefit from Streamlit's simplicity, while a company building a multi-user platform with custom business rules should choose Django. Streamlit's minimal setup accelerates experimentation, but Django's robustness supports long-term projects. Choosing depends on your project's complexity, scale, and development resources. Choose Streamlit if you want to build quick, interactive data apps with minimal coding and no need for complex backend or user management features. Opt for Django when developing full-featured, scalable web applications that require robust backend logic, user authentication, and long-term maintainability. Both frameworks serve distinct needs, so pick the one that aligns best with your project goals and technical expertise.